Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Kavan coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 51 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox won last night against the Indians with a score of 9-1. The Cubs lost last night against the Marlins with a score of 5-6. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are PBIS ambassadors will meet tomorrow at 7:45 in the music room. Art Studio Apprentices Red Group will meet at 7:45 in the art room. Today's announcements are, today is special lunch day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy Culvers. Tonight is the Hoover Orchestra and Choir concert. The concert starts at 6:30 at Keller Junior High. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by the art department. Tomorrow in our countdown is F for Favorite Day. Bring your favorite item to share with your class. Have a Try Something New Tuesday.